Hello and welcome to Learn to Draw Today, and today we're going to draw a bow, and this is a fun little project, really handy to include in bullet journals or on a card. It's a really nice little drawing to make. So we're going to start with the center of the bow, and it's going to be like a sort of rounded circle, and remember this is a ribbon, so it doesn't have to be perfectly square or perfectly round. Then we're going to draw the top of the ribbon. So this is where the ribbon is folding. You're going to do one of these on each side, and they need to be about the same size. But again, this is a drawing. You don't need to lose sleep over not getting it exactly right. So we're going to come down here and we're going to finish off this side of the bow. We're making sort of rounded shapes here because this is ribbon. Go and make one here and back to the sort of ribbon part in the middle of the bow. Now let's do the tails. I'm going to start the tail about where these two pieces join, and we're going to give it a little cut on it, and I'm going to come back to a point which is about halfway in this shape, but just not quite halfway, a little bit less than halfway. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Start at the join here. This tail's going to be just a little bit longer, and then we're just going to come back to almost the middle, but not quite. To finish off our bow, to give it the impression that it really is a bow, we're going to add some little dimensional elements. So I'm just going to do some lines, just 3 lines, different lengths. And I'm going to put little dots or little dashes at the end. And then we're going to do the same over here. 3 lines with dots or dashes at the end to give us the impression that the bow is actually bent. And then you can put 1 or 2 down here as well. And you might want to just shade in here to show that this is a different side of the ribbon. So you could just use little hatching lines like this. So there's our finished bow. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope your bows look absolutely wonderful. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications, and we'll let you know when new videos are released. Until I see you next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here at Learn to Draw Today.